Welcome to the Wisdomise Exchange Account Integration Guide. For a smooth linkage of your Binance wallet to Wisdomise via API, follow these steps. Navigate to the Account tab on your Wisdomise dashboard, go to External Accounts, and click Add Account. You can also access the Binance account through our financial products by clicking here and activating and selecting Connect New Account. Select Futures. Generate an API key in Binance by logging in, accessing account management, and creating a sub-account. Ensure the names for both accounts match. Enable futures trading on the sub-account, then head to API Management, press Create API, fill in the necessary details, and authenticate using your Authenticator app. Copy the API and secret keys to your Wisdomise dashboard. Also, copy your IP address to Binance by selecting Modify in API Management, entering your IP, and enabling futures. Click Add Account on the Wisdomise dashboard and save your API settings in Binance. You're now ready to use your integrated accounts. Just remember, if you connect your Binance with the main account, open the hedge mode.